According to recent crime stats, a house in the UK is being burgled every 173 seconds. These criminals, they break in, take your stuff and leave in the space of about 10 minutes. Well, you can stop these criminals in their tracks with a surveillance camera that's actively detecting them into the darkness, is alerting you instantly, and is an active deterrent to intruders before they break in. Now, let's talk the TriGuard, your first line of defense.
Alert, you are trespassing. Please leave.
But what makes the TriGuard so special? Well, installing a TriGuard camera means you're getting an immediate response whenever an event occurs. On average, intruders only spend about 10 minutes on site, from breaking and entering with an intent to burgle, then leaving with your property. The countdown timer to leave before they get caught usually starts when they physically break into the property. By that time, there's a response, they're gone with all of your stuff. 10 minutes for them is a calculated risk that they believe will pay off. If you're using a TriGuard camera, they are much more capable than just recording events. These stop intruders at the perimeter before they break in. These will react with an audio and a light alarm with an instant response and telling you straight away, showing them they've been seen and that they're there. So instead, that timer actually starts for them the moment they trespass, rather from the moment they break in, which means their time is running out. They haven't even entered the building, and the risk of getting caught now is getting incredibly high, and most likely, they won't bother to continue. The UniView TriGuard series is a range of surveillance cameras that boasts to be your guardian at night and protection on site. They protect your property threefold: through sight, through alerts, and deterrence, hence the name TriGuard. For sight, all cameras in the range are built with WISE ISP full-color night vision technology, or smart dual light infrared, to identify intruders at any time, day or night, in sharp, ultra-clear quality. As for deterrence, all cameras in the range are designed with active deterrent hardware, built to instantly react to intruders with flashing lights and audio alarms with pre-made or custom responses tailored to suit your needs. Now for alerts, these cameras all come with smart intrusion prevention software built for using state-of-the-art video content analysis tools built directly into the camera. The software identifies and responds against any triggered intrusion into the line of sight. Now the SIP comes with 4 key event triggers. Let's have a look. Crossline detection. It identifies intrusion coming from a particular direction in view once they have passed over a point in the area. Intrusion detection recognizes trespassing from anyone lingering in a selected space in view. Enter area detects intrusion from someone traveling into a space in view, and leave area does the opposite and detects intrusion by someone leaving in a designated space in view. All these features are completely customizable and can be set to detect human bodies, motor vehicles, non-motor vehicles, or even just custom-sized motion detected on screen. Once triggered, you can set the camera to react in a variety of ways, like triggering a buzzer, a pop-up window, sending a push alarm, sending you an email, activating a preset, or sound the alarm, trigger other alarm outputs available to you. Now, when triggering sound, you can use the default sound options, or you can create your own, tailored to your end user's specific needs.
Get back, you bastard! I'll break your legs!
So let's set up an example then. On the side of the building, we have this TriGuard 3.0 8-megapixel turret. Yes. See, on the weekends, no one's regularly here, and when everyone's away, we want to make sure that this place is protected and no one thinks about breaking in. This is where the TriGuard comes in. On the camera, you can see that we've set up an intrusion detection area in front of the building, and the set trigger is to be live on the weekends. Once active, if anyone lingers in front of the building for too long, that SIP camera recognizes intrusion and the alarm is activated, along with the red and blue flashing lights to deter that intruder. And the boss is notified on the UniView app. And because we've got the new UniView IP speaker on the building, that means that we can send the triggered audio alarm through to that horn, and make it very clear to the intruder that they are not welcome and make everyone else aware of the intruder's presence in the area. At this point, staff have already been notified, the boss is watching his every action, and the police are potentially being called with a detailed description of who they're looking for. Naturally, this spooks the intruder and any intention of breaking in has been eliminated as he turns tail and leaves. It's all over. Job done. The TriGuard range comes in a variety of different camera styles to fit any setup and price bracket that you need. Our Essentials line features this, the TriGuard One Plus turret camera with white light deterrent and Wise ISP low light night vision, available in 4 and 8 megapixels. It's a great base model in the range for anyone that wants that TriGuard feeling on a budget. Now, our professional line now features the new TriGuard 3.0 with OwlView Plus hardware and Wise ISP software for that unbeatable ultra low light full color night vision for that enhanced sight at night. See, this model is available in turret and bullet modes in 4 or 8 megapixels, and these have a 1-point f-stop aperture that allows end users to see fine details of intruders even at night. Coupled with a 3-watt speaker for a powerful audio alarm and those red and blue flashing lights make this an incredibly visible and audible warning to intruders. Additionally, cameras also have these alarm and audio tail lines that can be linked with more devices for a more advanced setup if required. For more advanced users, we also have the OwlView Mini PTZ with SIP software and active deterrence built in alongside the OwlView Wise ISP technology, allowing for that full color night vision with smart tracking pan tilt zoom action, even in the ultra low light setups. We also have an OmniView TriGuard 2 camera for full 180-degree dual lens images with that dual light smart IR night vision. If you want your surveillance system to do more, to not just be active, but proactive, and act as a first-line deterrent, then you need TriGuard. The TriGuard range is a great choice. The smart detection alert features that you get with SIP will leave your customers feeling secure that they are protected, and the active deterrent features will remind them of that day to day. And don't forget your own value. Like these SIP tools that you can use as an installer can show off your added value to their installation by calibrating their TriGuard tools, customizing their setup just for them, and providing a bespoke active deterrent experience to their property, adding a higher value to your job for no real additional cost. Yeah, this TriGuard range is more efficient, it's more accurate, and it's more detailed than ever before. And it's that triple threat that will take your security to the next level. Thanks for watching. If you want to know how to best kit out your install with the right TriGuard setup that works for you, then give us a call at 0113 233 7070. And our UniView specialists are always happy to plan out those projects with you to help you set up a system that is a guardian at night and protection on site. See you next time.